What is affiliate marketing? All right, first things first. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, you earn a commission. Sounds simple, right? Well, that's because it is. You don't have to create your own product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. You're basically a connector, linking people to products that are valuable to them. For example, let's say you love tech gadgets. You can recommend a cool gadget on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. If someone buys it using your affiliate link, boom, you get a commission. It's a win-win. The customer finds what they need, the company gets a sale, and you get paid. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you start as a complete beginner? We'll break it all down. 1. Pick a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is picking your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy talking about? What topics could you spend hours researching or creating content around? Your niche could be anything: health and fitness, personal finance, gaming, beauty, or even gardening. The key here is to choose something that not only excites you, but also has a target audience with buying intent. Because let's be real, at the end of the day, people need to actually purchase the products you recommend for you to make money. Here's a pro tip. Don't just pick a niche because it's popular. Pick one that aligns with your knowledge or interests. This will make creating content feel natural, and you'll be more consistent with it. 2. Choose affiliate programs. Next up is choosing the right affiliate programs. This step is crucial because not all affiliate programs are created equal. You'll want to find programs that pay well, offer high-quality products or services, and have a good reputation. Some popular affiliate networks to start with include Amazon Associates, great for beginners since Amazon has almost everything; Share a Sale, perfect for finding niche-specific brands; CJ Affiliate, a big player in the affiliate marketing space; and ClickBank, ideal for digital products and online courses. Each platform offers different products to promote, and each has its own commission structure, so be sure to read the fine print carefully before diving in. 3. Create valuable content. Now, let's talk about the most important part: content. Affiliate marketing is all about creating content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Your goal is to provide so much value that your audience naturally trusts your recommendations. Here are some content ideas to get started. You can create product reviews, as people love reading or watching reviews before making a purchase. Write or film in-depth reviews of products in your niche and share your honest opinion, highlighting the pros and cons. Another idea is creating best-of lists, like top 5 gaming laptops for 2024. This helps people quickly compare options. You can also create tutorials and how-to guides showing people how to use the products you recommend. Whether it's through blogging, vlogging, or social media posts, the key is to create consistent content that attracts an audience and builds trust. 4. Drive traffic to your affiliate links. Creating great content is important, but what's even more critical is getting eyes on that content. If no one sees your affiliate links, no one will click on them, and you won't make a cent. So how do you drive traffic to your affiliate links? Start with search engine optimization, SEO. This is all about optimizing your blog posts or videos to rank higher in Google or YouTube searches. When people are actively searching for product reviews or recommendations, you want to show up in the results. You can also leverage social media marketing by sharing your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or TikTok. Tailor your content to each platform. For example, Pinterest is great for visual content like infographics or how-to guides. Don't forget about email marketing. Build an email list where you can regularly send out newsletters, product reviews, or discount codes. This keeps your audience engaged and provides another way to promote your affiliate links. 5. Focus on building trust. Affiliate marketing is not about making a quick buck. If you want long-term success, you need to build trust with your audience. Here's how. Always be transparent about your affiliate links. It's not only ethical, but in many countries, it's required by law. Transparency builds trust, and people appreciate honesty. Only promote products you believe in. Don't just promote anything for the sake of a commission. If you recommend something that turns out to be low quality, you'll lose your audience's trust. Also, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and be available. Building a community around your content will create loyal followers who trust your recommendations. 6. Optimize and scale. Once you've started generating some affiliate commissions, don't stop there. It's time to optimize and scale your efforts. Analyze your results using tools like Google Analytics or the analytics provided by your affiliate networks. These tools help you see which products are performing well, which content drives the most traffic, and where you can improve. You can also split test your content. Try different approaches to see what works best. For example, test different headlines, formats, or even products to see which gets the best response from your audience. As you grow, expand your affiliate offers. Once you've mastered promoting a few products, look for other high-ticket items or recurring commission products to promote. Finally, create more content. The more content you create, the more chances you have to drive traffic and earn commissions. So, keep it coming.